Dispatch Dossier. For less complex packages, such as bulk materials and off-the-shelf components, we need very few documents such as Certificate of Compliance, CFC, or Material Test Report, MTR. However, for Criticality 1 and 2 equipment that are made to order, there shall be fairly extensive Manufacturing Record Book, MRB. Here, several subcontractors are also involved, and it is not practically possible to compile all MRB at the time of release. For this reason, there shall be a dispatch dossier at the time of release that is a concise version of MRB plus shipping documents. You shall normally find the following documents in a dispatch dossier: a shipping document showing weight, content, and dimensions, lifting plan of the equipment if heavy or should be lifted in a particular way during loading or offloading, Certificate of Compliance, CFC, performance data for rotating equipment equivalent to hydraulics for static for fixed equipment, such as pressure vessels, coolers, heat exchangers, and valves supporting the CFC, as-built drawing that shows the actual measured dimension of equipment. The dimensions for foundation, inlet, and outlet measurements are especially important for installation purpose. Installation, Operation, and Maintenance Manual, IOM, so the equipment can be installed and operated at site. Packing procedure, to show how the equipment is stored, such as indoor, outdoor, any temperature and humidity restriction that is needed for electrical components or consumables, any periodic checks required, the maximum storage duration of equipment with existing package, etc. Material Safety Data Sheets, MSDS, for how to handle material during shipping and storage or in case of spill. Inspection Release Certificate, IRC. Any punch list. Packing list. Dispatch Dossier Index is a table of content that is normally prepared by supplier and approved by the client so all stakeholders agree on what sort of document shall be shipped with the package. Client's inspector shall compare the content of Dispatch Dossier against the approved DD Index at the point of release, thereby verifying the Dispatch Dossier content and sufficiency.